Did you know that cloves, often just a small part of your spice rack, can be a giant in your wellness routine? Originating from the Maluku Islands in Indonesia, cloves have been a cornerstone in global cuisines and traditional medicine for centuries. This tiny spice is loaded with eugenol, an essential oil with potent properties that contribute to its vast array of health benefits. From ancient healers to modern kitchens, cloves have continually demonstrated their incredible potential for enhancing wellness. So how exactly do these tiny spices enhance your health? Let's dive in. Struggling with toothache? Reach for the cloves. It may sound surprising, but this common kitchen spice is a powerhouse when it comes to natural pain relief. The secret lies in a compound called eugenol, found abundantly in cloves. Eugenol is celebrated for its remarkable analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a go-to remedy for dental pain. Research has shown that eugenol can effectively numb the affected area, providing quick relief from discomfort. In studies, it's been observed to reduce inflammation, helping to alleviate pain not just temporarily, but treating the underlying inflammation causing the discomfort. This makes cloves, or clove oil, an invaluable tool in the natural treatment of toothaches. For practical use, you can place a whole clove near the sore area in your mouth or apply a small amount of clove oil directly to the affected tooth and surrounding gums. This simple method can offer significant relief. Next time your tooth gives you trouble, you might want to think about this natural remedy before heading to the pharmacy. Antioxidants are vital for our health, and cloves are bursting with them. When it comes to fighting off the pesky free radicals that threaten our cells, not all antioxidants are created equal. Cloves, however, are a standout, packing a punch far stronger than many common sources of antioxidants. Let's put it into perspective. Compared to other well-known antioxidants like blueberries or dark chocolate, cloves contain significantly higher levels of phenolic compounds. These compounds are superheroes in the antioxidant world, scavenging free radicals at a rate that's hard to match. This is crucial because free radicals can cause oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and various diseases. For the skin, this means cloves can be a game changer. Their antioxidant properties help in preventing premature aging and enhancing skin health by protecting skin cells from oxidative damage. This can result in a more youthful, vibrant complexion. Incorporating cloves into your diet could be a small step for your meals, but a giant leap for your health. Ever felt bloated or indigestion after a heavy meal? Cloves might just be your new best friend. This tiny spice is a powerhouse when it comes to improving digestive health. The secret lies in a compound called eugenol, which has the ability to stimulate the digestive process and ensure everything is running smoothly. When eugenol gets to work, it not only enhances the secretion of digestive enzymes, but it also reduces symptoms associated with indigestion like bloating and gas. This makes cloves a fantastic natural remedy for those days when you've perhaps overindulged. But the benefits don't stop there. Cloves are also known to boost metabolism, contributing to weight management. This metabolic kick can help burn calories faster, making it a helpful addition to any weight loss regimen. Incorporating cloves into your diet is simple. Try adding ground cloves to your morning tea or infusing them in water to sip throughout the day. This small habit can lead to significant benefits for your digestive system and overall health. For those who aim for a healthier gut, adding a pinch of clove might just spice up your digestive wellness. Today, we've only scratched the surface of what cloves can do for your health. Let's quickly recap. Cloves offer natural pain relief, act as a potent antioxidant, and aid in digestive health. These benefits suggest that incorporating just a little bit of this mighty spice into your daily diet could make a substantial difference. Before making any changes, it's wise to consult with a health professional, especially if you have specific health conditions or concerns. Remember, sometimes the smallest things can have the biggest impact on our health. Here's to a healthier you with just a pinch of cloves.